Hello, kids. Today, we are going to talk about something that can be a little annoying: noise. Have you ever heard loud noises that make your ears hurt or make it hard to think? That's called noise pollution. It's like too much sound all around us, and it can even make us feel tired or upset. When traffic jams up the road, it also jams up the noise levels. Stuck in traffic means dealing with honking horns and engine roars, noisy and annoying for everyone around. At the busy construction site, the sound of machines and tools creates a lot of noise. Too much noise can be really loud and uncomfortable for everyone nearby. The construction site is full of noisy trucks, drills, and machines. When construction sites are noisy, they can make nearby parks and homes less enjoyable. Using quieter tools and machines can help make the area more peaceful. The loud sounds from construction can travel far. When there's too much noise around us, it can be really hard to focus on our work or homework. Loud sounds can make our brains feel crowded and distracted. Imagine trying to read a book while there's a lot of noise in the background. Some friendly solutions to help reduce noise pollution. Lower the volume on your TV, tablet, or music when you're using them. This helps keep the house quieter, making it easier for everyone to enjoy their activities. When equipment makes too much noise, it can be really distracting. Fixing noisy equipment helps reduce the noise and makes things more comfortable for everyone. Noisy machines can be a problem, but there are ways to fix them. Look at how peaceful everything is now. When we all work together, we can make our world a better place for everyone. Remember, it's easy to help stop noise pollution. Just be a little quieter and think about others around you. See you next time. Thanks for watching Bright Star Kingdom. Subscribe, like, share with friends and family.